Yeah, so welcome back to Alice Customs Project Car TV, and today I just wanted to give you a quick tech tip, I guess. So these are the shocks that came off of the 67 Mustang, and they look good, they're clean, there's no oil leaking out of them, and you know, the bushings are a little over compressed in a couple places, but overall they're a good looking shock. I went to reinstall them the other day, hadn't checked them before. As you can see, it doesn't take very much pressure to collapse it, and then essentially does not want to re-extend, so there's no rebound. It's a good looking shock. It's Gravitrack, you know, lifetime component suspension. If I knew where to find that, maybe I could do something with the lifetime warranty. So I bought some new shocks. You can see that one's already extended. So substantially more difficult to compress, and you can see it expanding rapidly. So these happen to be a KYB. They're the entry level KYB shocks. They're not terribly expensive, less than $40 a piece, I think, retail. So it's one way to quickly check a shock. Even though it looked good, this shock is providing almost zero effect to dampen the suspension. So I've got 4 new ones of these. Since I'm replacing the rear, I don't know that I spent really any time checking the front ones, so I'm going to just replace them on that because they're exactly the same brand. And so that's a quick tech tip on how to test your shock and what you're looking for. Like I said, this one looks really good. No oil leaking out of it or anything, so you would have thought just from a visual inspection that it was in good shape. As it turns out, it's not. And thanks for watching. Hope that gives you a little information for testing parts that you would have thought were okay from a visual inspection. So have a great day.